afternoon, students. In the last class we had studied about enzyme, what is its role. After that we had studied vitamin, what is vitamin, its types. Okay, so in this class we are going to study what are the importance of vitamins, their sources, and what are the deficiency disease occurs due to the lack of vitamin. Now what is meant by deficiency disease is if the intake of vitamin is less inside your body, that time that it occurs some particular diseases. That specific diseases is called as deficiency diseases. Okay, so let us see one by one. Then vitamin A. The sources of vitamin A are carrot, green vegetables, and the deficiency diseases occurs due to the lack of vitamin A is night blindness. Okay, after that come to the next second one, that is vitamin B1. Okay, vitamin B1 is also called as thiamine, and the sources of vitamin B1 is yeast, milk, and cereals. The deficiency disease occurs due to the vitamin B1 is beriberi. After that come to the vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 is also called as riboflavin. The sources of vitamin B2 is egg, animal kidney, and animal liver. Whereas the deficiency disease occurs due to the vitamin B2 is there is particular digestive disorders occurs with the particular allergy on the skin. That is called burning sensation on the skin. Okay, after that come to the vitamin B6. The sources of vitamin B6 is yeast, milk, and egg. Okay, and whereas the deficiency disease occurs due to the vitamin B6 is conversion. Now what is meant by conversion? Conversion is there is a retard growth, normal growth of the body. After that come to the vitamin B12, which is also called as cyanocobalamin. Okay, the sources of vitamin B12 is meat, fish, and curd. Whereas this lack of vitamin B12 can causes anemia. Okay, that anemia, there are two types of anemia of RBC and WBC. So this anemia occurs of RBC, not WBC. Okay. After that come to the vitamin C. The sources of vitamin C is citrus fruit. Okay, and the deficiency disease occurs due to the vitamin C is scurvy, which we know very well. We had learned it from the in the class 10. After that come to the vitamin D. These sources of vitamin D is the sunlight is the large source of vitamin D. The deficiency disease occurs due to the vitamin D is rickets. Okay, after that come to the vitamin E. Vitamin E, the sources of vitamin E is vegetable oil or vegetable oils. There is means what wheat, the oils of wheat, etc. And the deficiency disease causes due to the lack of vitamin E is your muscle will become weakness. Okay, after that come to the vitamin K, which one the last, and the sources of vitamin K is I had written here G, it means green leafy vegetables, whereas the deficiency disease occurs due to the vitamin K is increase the blood clotting. You know very well what is meant by blood clotting. When we get injured and blood is come, that time what happen, after some times that blood will get clot. Okay, means what, it resists the flow of blood. Okay, but if the vitamin K will become less, that time what happened, that blood clotting will become more red, and it will the blood will get clot very rapidly. Okay, sometimes it can causes the sudden death also. Okay, so this is all about vitamin. What are the sources, what are the important vitamins, and what are their deficiency disease. Okay students, after that we will study about nucleic acid. Before going into detail about nucleic acid, I am going to tell you that you know that genetic character. Now what is meant by genetic character? That character get transferred from parents to childhood. Okay, means suppose your papa having black color hairs and your mama is also having white color hairs. So that baby will have either black or white or brown. So these are the genetic character get transferred. How this genetic character get transferred? because of the DNA. And is that DNA? No. In the DNA there is a chromosome. Chromosomes are present, and because of that chromosomes, this genetic character get transformed. Okay. So these chromosomes are made up of one of the main biomolecule, that is nucleic acid and protein. Okay. So let us study with nucleic acid. Now what is meant by nucleic acid? They are long chain polymer of nucleotides. Understood what I said? Nucleic acid, they are the long chain polymers of nucleotides. Because of they are the polymers of what? Nucleotides. That's why they are also called as polynucleotides. Okay, they are also called as polynucleotides. Okay, after that we will study what is the composition of nucleic acid. Before going into detail, I am going to tell you that this nucleic acid consists of 3 components. Okay, what are those? First one is nitrogen base. Second one is pentose sugar. And third one is phosphate group. Okay, so there are 2 types. The composition of nucleic acid is nitrogen base, pentose sugar and phosphate group. So there are 2 types of nucleotides. Types are 2. First one is DNA and another one is RNA. The full form